Welcome to class this month. What does the flashcard say?
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So this theme is about the flashcards. Rachel's doing the reformer, and we shuffle the cards, and whatever the card says, we're going to do. Now, with the caveat, I'm only going to do stuff that can be done on a tower. And if anything is done as an asymmetrical movement that exists as a symmetrical movement, we'll do the symmetrical movement first. Okay. So we'll always make sure that we do the in air quotes prep version before we do that one, just so that we can kind of warm up. So I'll try to do a couple cards ahead just so we can be thinking about that, but it's probably not going to happen. So here we go. The first one is going to be push through. So we've got push through, and then we're going to go to our standing arm springs. Well, that's fun. Okay. Here we go. So one spring from above, and have a seat with your feet in the bar. As always, when in doubt, leave it out or give yourself what you need. Okay. So here we go. We're going to reach into this bar. Since we just started, let's just take a moment to reach up. Go ahead and hang out. Okay. So we're not going to do that again. All right, then pull your shoulders back, pull this bar apart, and then feel your shoulders pull onto your back, and then reach through your feet and dig those heels down. Lift your hip points up, away from the thighs, and then round back, and reach forward, and round back, and lift up, and round back, and reach forward, and round back. So take your time, and just keep working into straight wrists, straight elbows, because we want the back to bend, right? Not the arms to bend. And then once you've done a few, I want you to start to pick up the pace. Inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. And then roll it all the way up. All right, hold here, take one hand, grab the opposite bar, give it a big stretch, and then come up and other side. Awesome. Okay, we're just going to leave that in case we have to come back to it. We're going to take our arm springs, and we're doing some standing arm springs. The first one we've got is squat, and then we've got the combo. Oh, okay. Squat combo. Cool. Well, at least those two go together. So here we are. Place your hooks on. You might hopefully have more room than I do. So my squat's going to be more challenging because I won't be able to have as much spring. So elbows up, pinky side of the hand in the handle, and squat down and up. And if you're like, Lesley, it's too soon, wall squats. Okay. And squat down and up, and down and up. All right, we'll do the combo. So you reach forward and you reach your hands down to the floor, and then to your ankles, back to the floor. Come up, squat down, reach up, forward, pull it to your ankles, roll up. Something I see a lot when I teach people this exercise is there's a lean back here and a locked knee. So you gotta get up and over yourself, and then up and over, and squat down, and lift, and reach. Ooh, awesome. Keep going with your combo just to keep warming yourself up. All right, we have side arm and then butterfly. So you take your spring in one hand. The further out you go, the harder it gets. And then you pull the arm into you, up your body, out, and in. Okay, so I'm going to step a little further out to give myself a challenge. Now, if you just relax when you take the arm out to the side, you will miss out on the connections you need to pull this arm in, up, and out. Two more in this direction. And then reverse down, out, and up, down, out. Whew. One more. It's so small, but it's mighty. Other side. And so heels together, toes apart, and pull in, up, out. In, up, out. And then reverse. Awesome. Okay, butterfly. So take your handles, one in each hand. Arms out wide, heels together, toes apart. Lean into the spring. Lift one arm up as you reach the other arm down. Stretch. Drop the tailbone, lift the hip points, and up. And reach into your handles and lift. And reach it up. Drop the tailbone down and lift. And big reach up. Ooh, okay, so now we're going to add in the pulses. So you reach up and then you pulse this arm 1, 2, 3. You come up and you go all the way up and you reach. So you may lose tension in your spring with the handle that's behind you, and that's okay. Your goal is to just continue to reach into the handle as you go. Last time each way. Oof, awesome. Okay, you can keep going one more time each way. Here is what is next. Okay, we have shave sitting and then leg springs. What we'll do is we'll just do a bunch of leg springs while we're here, just so that we don't have to keep getting up and down. So, because it's a nice little series. So put your arm springs back on your arm spring setting. Get your push through bar out of the way if it's in one. And then here we go. Have a seat. Awesome. Okay. The further you sit away, the harder it is. Index finger and thumb together, elbows wide, push the feet down and reach the arms up. If your hip flexors start to scream here, you can do this kneeling or standing. All right. And we're removing the triceps from it. We're just reaching our arms from our back as we push our feet down. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Okay. So leg springs. We're not going to do all of them just in case they come back up, but we're going to warm ourselves up and we'll do a few. So here we go. Put the straps on your feet, hands on the vertical poles, and you're reaching from your upper back, which we've already warmed up so nicely with what we've drawn so far. So go ahead and heels together, toes apart, frog out 3 times just so you can feel where the back of your legs engages the spring the most. You want to be too high, but also not too low. And then stay out there and draw 3 circles in each direction. And one of the things that I see go wrong here is riding the springs up. You want to stand on the springs as you circle, especially as you lift your legs up. After 3 in each direction, bend your knees in. Reach the legs out, and then one foot walks down, then the other foot, then the other foot, then the other foot, and up, 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 down, 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 and up, 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 and down, 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 down. Last up, 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 up. Bend the knees in. Last thing we'll do here today is our beats. Reach out to the high diagonal and open and close for 8. Hold it after 8. Breathe your low ribs into the mat. Lower the legs a little bit and beat for 8. And then hold it. Lower the legs a little bit and inner thighs and hamstrings beat for 8. And bend those knees in. All right. So there might be some more fun ones that come up, but we got those out of the way. So let's do our, this is fun. Shoulder roll down, and then we'll go into our leg springs again. So we have shoulder roll down and then 2 more leg springs. So we push the push through back bar back up with a spring from above. If you are like Lesley, that shoulder roll down is too much on my knees or my lower back, then you're gonna do shoulder bridge on the mat, okay? So we place the balls of the feet on the bar. Make sure your bar does not go past your vertical poles, and we lie on your back. Press the arms down. Just do a couple bend and reaches here so you can feel your feet stand on the bar, and then lift the bar